Namaste children. This is Jyoti Devgan from the Department of Social Science, and today I am going to take up a new topic. The name of the chapter is Understanding Media. This is for class 7. Now, what is your favorite TV program? What do you like listening to on the radio? Which newspaper or magazine do you usually read? Do you surf the internet? And what have you found most useful about it? Did you know that there is one word that is often used to collectively refer to the radio, TV, newspapers, internet, and several other forms of communication? Well, which is that word? That is media. In this chapter, we are going to know more about the word media. Now, when we talk about media, we directly talk about all kinds of means of communication. For example, a TV, radio, newspapers, and even your phone, the internet that you use. Now, since these newspapers, TV, radio, internet includes millions of people across the world, we call it mass media. Now, it is the plural form of the word medium. It describes the various ways through which we communicate with the society. Now, coming over to the first subheading of this chapter, that is media and technology. Now, we all know that our life is almost crippled without TV, radio, newspapers, internet, etc. Now, why? Because it serves as a backbone to us. Now, internet, since it is the backbone of all, we feel that even the latest topic of discussion we don't get until and unless we switch on the TV or see the news on the mobile. Now, changing technology or these machines, they improve the quality of sound and images which we see on TV or your mobiles through the satellites. Most of the cartoons we see on TV, they are not made in India alone. They come from Japan, they come from the US, far off countries. While sitting at Chennai, we are watching on the TV a storm that takes place in maybe Florida. How far is Florida from here? But we feel as if we are so close by. It's thanks to technology and media. Now, the next subheading comes media and money. Now, all this seems to be so nice, When we talk about TV studios, we have lights, camera, action. But do you know, it needs a lot of money. And where does this money come from? Think. Who can sponsor? Yes, the advertisements. These advertisements these days, they might be of a chocolate, they might be of a car, they might be of maybe a cricket bat in a cricket match, but all this contributes a lot of money to media. Even the people sitting there, the news reporters, they need money, the cameramen, they need money. So where do we get all this money from? So advertisements, they are a tool to raise these revenue or the fund. Now, media and democracy is the next topic. Now, democracy, when we talk about, it is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. And media really plays an important part in playing with the emotions of the people. The all-important important events are taken up and the people organize public protests, they organize signature campaigns. Thanks to media, these days you must be watching the TV, the Sushant murder case. It is being taken up by some TV channels and the people are all over the world, they are actively participating in this kind of a campaign. So, public protest, which is an important part of democracy, it really helps. Now, an independent media is very important for democracy, provided they give us a balanced report. But it is not independent. Most of the media is not independent because of the control of the government and exercises censorship. Although the government, especially during the time of emergency in 1975 to 1977, when emergency was declared, that time censorship in detail means when a particular news is not allowed to be spread all over. It depends upon the will of the government and the leaders. But the government now censors films, but not the news. And that is why some channels, they provide masala news, right? Media at times obliges its advertisers, or you may say the corporates, just because they provide them money. They try to oblige them. Now, media focuses on one aspect for many days together, so that the people are involved emotionally, mentally. And it happens that more impact on a particular news when it is laid, it becomes, or rather it makes the story interesting.